Hello friends, I am Sonal More, working as a lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department, SPM Polytechnic Kumte. Today we are going to see the practical number 15 of the Electrical Circuit and Network subject. Subject code is 22330 and the name of the practical is Z parameter. Let us see the practical significance. A two-port network is an electric circuit with two input ports and the two output ports. The example of two-port networks are the bridge circuit, filter circuit, transformer. At the input terminals, the external signals are fed and are transmitted through the network to the output terminals. It is useful in determining the performance of the circuit and design the filters. Z parameters represent the circuit performance. Okay, let us see the practical outcomes. Determine the open circuit, that is Z parameters for the given circuit. Okay, let us see the practical circuit diagram. Here you can connect the input voltages. Okay, input voltage V1, this is the resistor R1, R2 and the R3. Here you can connect the ammeter. Okay, next circuit diagram, it is voltmeter V1 and the output voltage source first and this is second voltage source R1, R2 and the R3 resistor. Here you can connect the ammeter. Okay, resources required for this practical, it is the resistances, breadboard, ammeter and the voltage source, that is power supply you can use over here. Okay, this is the observation table. Here you can write down the V1 and the V2 voltages from the power supply. Again the current I1 in ampere and the current I2 for the parameters Z11, Z12, Z21 and the Z22. Okay, let us see the circuit diagram. Here you can connect the power supply. Okay, positive terminal and the negative terminal, it is connected to this is the R1 resistor, R2 resistor and this is the R3 resistor. For the R1 resistor you can apply the voltage, it is the 2 volt. Here again across this resistor can apply the voltage. Okay, whenever the V1 it is 2.1 volt and the V2 it is again the 2.0 volt, then you can measure the current across this terminal. Okay, you can measure the current across this terminal, that is 47.9 micro ampere. Okay, here current you can write down 47.9 micro ampere. Okay, as like this you can increase the particular voltage. Okay, it is up to 3.1 volt. Okay, this is the V1 value. Okay, again you can increase the V2 3.1. okay, you can increase this particular value 3.1 volt. Two 3.1 volt. Then you can again measure the current, that is 70.9 micro ampere. Here you can write down the 70.9 micro ampere. Okay, again as like can increase the particular voltage up to 4 volt. Okay, here again V2 it is 4 volt. Then measure the current, it is 94.3 micro ampere. Here you can write down 93.4 micro ampere. Then these are the calculations. Then here you can write down the results for, that is the parameters, impedance parameters Z11, Z12, Z21 and the Z22 with the help of formula. Then you can write down the interpretation of result, conclusion of this experiment, and these are the practical related questions you can write down in your general pages. Okay, thank you.